In the vast realm of technological innovation, few phenomena have captured our collective imagination quite like the ascent of artificial intelligence. What was once confined to the realms of science fiction is now a perceptible reality, as AI's power and influence continue to reshape our world. From its inception, AI has held the promise of augmenting human potential, revolutionizing industries, and propelling us into a future of unimaginable possibilities. But as the relentless march of progress continues, a paradigm-shifting narrative has emerged, a narrative that challenges the very fabric of our existence. In this video, we'll take you on an enthralling intellectual journey, inviting you to contemplate a future where machines, once our creations, transcend our understanding and assume a role of unprecedented authority. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the ethical dilemmas, societal implications, and existential questions that arise when machines take command. AI has made significant strides in recent years, showcasing impressive abilities in various domains. Let's look into some of this. Natural Language Processing, or NLP. NLP has seen significant advancements, especially with the introduction of large pre-trained language models like GPT-3. These models have demonstrated impressive language understanding and generation capabilities, enabling tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, text summarization, and chatbot development. Computer Vision. AI has made remarkable progress in computer vision tasks. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, have been instrumental in object detection, image classification, and facial recognition. Additionally, generative models like generative adversarial networks, or GANs, have been used to generate realistic images, leading to applications in art, design, and even deepfakes. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning has seen significant advancements, particularly in the field of game-playing AI. For example, AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, defeated the world champion in the ancient Chinese game of Go, demonstrating the ability of AI to master complex strategic decision-making. Autonomous vehicles. The development of self-driving cars has gained considerable momentum. Companies like Tesla and Uber have made substantial progress in combining AI technologies with robotics to build autonomous vehicles. These vehicles leverage computer vision, sensor fusion, and machine learning algorithms to navigate and make real-time driving decisions. Healthcare applications. AI has shown great potential in healthcare, including areas such as medical imaging analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Deep learning algorithms have been used to analyze medical images and detect abnormalities with high accuracy. Robotics and Automation. AI is increasingly being integrated into robots and automation systems to enable them to perceive, learn, and interact with their environment. Robots are being used in various industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, to perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. While AI presents exciting opportunities, there are legitimate concerns about its potential risks. Job displacement is a significant concern as AI becomes more advanced and replaces human workers. This could lead to widespread unemployment and economic instability. Bias and discrimination are also potential risks, as AI systems trained on biased data can perpetuate existing inequalities and harmful stereotypes. As AI systems become more complex, there is a growing need for transparency and interpretability. Researchers are actively working on developing techniques and methods to make AI systems more explainable, enabling users to understand the reasoning and decision-making process behind AI-generated outputs. The rapid development and widespread adoption of artificial intelligence have raised important ethical considerations as well. While AI offers numerous benefits and transformative potential, it also poses ethical challenges that need careful attention. AI often relies on large amounts of personal data to make accurate predictions and recommendations, so this definitely raises concerns about privacy and data protection. Organizations must establish robust data governance frameworks to ensure that individuals' personal information is handled responsibly and with their consent. There is also a concern on accountability. As AI systems become more autonomous, Questions arise regarding who should be held accountable for their actions and decisions. Establishing clear lines of responsibility and accountability for AI technologies is a complex ethical challenge that requires careful consideration. Addressing these ethical implications requires a multidisciplinary approach involving policymakers, researchers, industry leaders, and society at large. It involves developing and adhering to ethical frameworks, engaging in public discourse, and ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a responsible and accountable manner, with a focus on human well-being and societal benefit. The good news, though, is that there are solutions and preventive measures that we can take to prevent negative outcomes and foster responsible AI. Continued investment in research and development can focus on creating transparent and explainable AI systems to avoid biases and unfair outcomes. Regulations and guidelines can be established to govern AI development, data collection, privacy protection, and ethical standards across various industries. Cultivating a culture of responsibility and accountability involves holding developers, businesses, and individuals accountable for the impact of AI on society. To achieve this, it's crucial to prioritize collaboration, transparency, and responsibility in AI development and implementation. By fostering partnerships between humans and AI, we can create systems that amplify human skills, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. By consistently upholding these values, we can prevent AI from becoming a threat to humanity and instead ensure that it remains a tool for progress and innovation. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more learning.